Hey everyone, I'm Zander. I'm based here in Singapore, and the good folks at New Zealand Avocado reached out, and I'm going to be doing a recipe here today. I'm going to be doing a tuna tartare with shiitake, sesame, soy. For the avocado component, I'm doing a smashed avocado with yuzu, mirin, and sea salt. And just to get a nice crunch and dip, I'm going to be frying some wonton skins. And together, it's going to be a cracking dish.
Hi guys, my name is Jen, and here we are today at my comfy home, and I'm working together with New Zealand Avocados to bring a very special and unique recipe to you. So what we're gonna do today is quite interesting because we're gonna do an avocado sorbet to celebrate this fruit. And the avocado sorbet is a bit more sour and tangy than sweet to kind of complement the torched tuna on top of some salsa and a brioche bun.